As I'm sure you can see, there's a whole lot of information on the screen behind me, so let me talk you through it. First of all, in the middle you can see the answers to the questions, A, B, C, D and so on. To the right of the answer you've got the timing where you'll hear the answer in each recording. If you can't see any timings, it's because the answer comes from a number of different places in the listening, and as a result there's simply not enough space in the box to put in all of the timings. Please note that the recordings I've used to take the timings from are the audio files you can download from MacMillan once you follow the instructions given to you at the end of your coursebook. Lastly, because the questions are on different tracks, I've also put the number of the track where you'll find each listening on the left-hand side. To explain why the answers are the answers, I'll tell you the part of the listening which directly relates to the answer. Hopefully you'll very quickly see how the vocabulary in the question connects to the clips from the listening. So make sure you've got your coursebook open at the right page now. I'm going to be moving through these questions quickly, so please pause the video and rewind it as many times as you wish to make sure you understand where those vocabulary links are. If, however, you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me through the contact form on this website and I'll do my best to help you out. Okay, let's go. For question 1, the answer is C, the location of the school. As the man says, we've benefited enormously from being so close to a number of large companies. For question 2, the answer is B, not finding work straight away. As the woman says, it's more about not knowing how long it will take me to get a job. It needs to be fairly soon, otherwise I'll run out of money. For question 3, the answer is B, a sportsman. As the man says, if I think back to all my sporting successes, the medals I've won and the records I've broken. For question 4, the answer is C, she is nervous about it. As the woman says, but what if you get stuck and can't go on? That's what worries me. I can't see I'm going to enjoy myself clinging to a rock for survival, waiting for someone to come and pull me off. For question 5, the answer is A, an explorer. As the man says, it's not whether it's the highest, the hottest or the coldest that matters to me, but being the first person to set foot there, ... and surviving to tell the tale. For question 6, the answer is C, relieved. As the woman says, I'm just glad it's all over now. I don't know how we'd have managed to survive if he hadn't been taken on at the power station. For question 7, the answer is A, he was lucky. As the man says, fortune always smiled on him. If fortune smiles on you, then you are considered to be a lucky person. For question 8, the answer is B, criticising him. Firstly, the woman is being ironic. We're very pleased you actually managed to phone us. At least you've succeeded in doing something right. The criticism then becomes a bit more obvious. You said you would be home by 12. If you aren't capable of keeping promises, then you shouldn't make them.